Imagine you are chatting with a friend on WhatsApp. The moment they press send, your phone receives the message instantly. No refresh button, no waiting, just instant. The same technology powers live sports scores, multiplayer games, collaborative editors like Google Docs, and even AI applications like ChatGPT. Today, we are going to build that technology ourselves using Python and FastAPI. Traditional websites communicate using HTTP. Every request is like knocking someone's door. Do you have anything for me? The server answers no. Door closes. A second later, you knock again. That's called polling. It works, but it's incredibly inefficient. Instead of opening thousands of tiny conversations, what if we simply kept one conversation open? That's exactly what WebSocket do. One connection, two-way communication. Both sides can talk whenever they want. To understand WebSocket, we are going to build our own. No browser, no JavaScript, just Python. This keeps everything simple so we can focus on the protocol itself. That's it, just 3 files, small projects, huge learning. Unlike a REST endpoint, this endpoint never finishes. It keeps listening forever. Before talking, both sides must agree to upgrade HTTP connection into a WebSocket connection. Instead of saying this function does this, say think of the client as your friend texting you. It connects once, sends message whenever you type, waits for replies, and keeps the conversation alive. Even though we say WebSocket, it actually starts as an ordinary HTTP request. Then both sides agree to switch protocol. That's called WebSocket handshake. Once you understand WebSocket, you'll recognize them everywhere. Whenever information appears instantly, there is a good chance a WebSocket connection is working behind the scenes. Before the next video, try these 3 challenges. First, modify the server so it returns the message in uppercase. Second, add a timestamp. Third, connect two clients at the same time.
Hey everyone! If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to me!